Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something slightly different. If you've known me a while, if you've followed me a while, you'll know that I'm a huge advocate of taking care of your skin, especially to prevent aging and damage to the skin. Now, I am using anti-aging skincare already. I think you should start at an early age, and I think that you should really do your research and find out the products that work for you. One thing to note though is that it's not just skincare that can help you to improve the condition of your skin. Of course, there is also sunscreen, which is kind of skincare as well, but also protection for your skin. And there is this thing called facial massage, which helps to stimulate the muscles in your skin, prevent any sagginess, clear the lymph nodes, a lot of things like that. I've already done a Tanaka massage video for you guys before that is a really old school, very long massage technique that you can do maybe once a week or so. If you can do it every day, definitely do that. Today though, I am showing you guys something completely different. It's gonna be slightly easier and a lot shorter than the Tanaka massage. So if you're looking for something simpler, easier, and yet just as effective, you can try out this massage technique that I'm just about to show you right here today. The first most important thing when it comes to facial massage is using the right products. You wanna use something that is really kind of slippery on your skin so that you're not tugging the surface layer of your skin. Instead, you are stimulating the muscle underneath. I have been using this oil right here. It is the Eucerin Elasticity and Filler Facial Oil. If you follow me on Instagram, my blog, my Facebook, you'll already see that I reviewed this range. If you want to check out the review, it's down in the description box below. Just click the link. This oil is part of an entire skincare range that is supposed to replace fillers. Now, obviously, when I heard that, I was super excited about it. I am still using it right now. I do see changes in my skin. Go and check out the full review if you want to see it. Today, I'm going to be showing you the massage using this oil right here. I absolutely love it. You can mix it in together with any moisturizer. It is a great way to get that sort of slip to your skin that you need so that you can apply and massage the products in really nicely. So without further ado, if you want to get a quick step-by-step massage tutorial that you can do every night to stimulate the muscles in your skin and to reduce sagginess and increase elasticity and radiance, then please keep on watching. So to start off, first of all, you can use this massage both morning and night. It's really up to you. And you want to finish up your cleanser, your toner, your serums, and all that before you start with this. Now what you want to do is you should take some moisturizer out. Just your normal amount will do, and put it into the palm of your hand. So I've got mine right here, and now I'm going to add the oil to it. I'm going to put about 4 or 5 drops. This will make your skin slightly oily, I do admit, but the good thing is it's going to give a really nice slip to your skin, which means that you're not going to be tugging at the top layer of your skin. You definitely don't want to be tugging that layer because that's going to cause wrinkles and sagginess, and obviously we don't want that. Next thing you're going to do is just rub that product into your palms. Another thing is you want to get enough of it onto the tips of your fingers because you're going to be doing a lot of massaging with this area. And again, as I said, no tugging on the surface of the skin, so keep it nice and moisturized and kind of emollient so you can pull as much as you want, or rather massage the muscles underneath as much as you want without tugging the skin. This is a quick 7-step massage, but I like to add one little step at the beginning, which is to pat the product all over your face before you begin, including your neck as well. Just make sure that the entirety of your face, is coated in that moisturizer and oil mixture. So first you want to start at the base of your neck. I'm going to use 3 fingers here, and I'm going to press and push all the way up to the bottom of the ears. I like to do everything about 3 times, and imagine putting enough pressure to squish a grape. That's pretty much the amount of pressure that you're meant to be putting on your skin. Next, I'm going to start from my chin, and I'm going to push all the way up to the sides of my ears. And make sure that you're really pressing into the muscle at the bottom because that's how you're going to simulate it. If you feel a little bit of pain, that is pretty normal. That means that you've got some water retention in your face that this massage is going to help to get rid of. Next, from the sides of your mouth, I'm just going to do 2 fingers this time to the sides of your ears. Again, just remember to press. I'm not really pressing that much because my products is dried out basically from filming. All right, for step 4, 2 fingers, hug the sides of your nose, and then hug along the cheekbones and pull up towards the sides of your ears. This time, aim for the tops of your ears. Step 5 is from the sides of your eyes, just pull towards your temples. Step 6, we're going to use our thumbs and just push underneath your brow bone, in between your eyes, And then finally, step 7, you just want to pull upwards with your fingers across your forehead. This one you don't have to do too hard, that last step there. Just do it nice and light. And there you have it. That was just a simple 7-step plus mine 8-step massage to help to increase the elasticity in your skin, to help to tighten up that skin, and of course to increase the radiance from blood circulation as well. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Of course, if you have any questions about the technique or the products, please do leave them down in the comments box below and I will get to them as soon as I can. If you want to see the review of the products that I use, you can check out my description box. I have everything listed down there. If you want to check out the brand itself, I have it listed in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!